Today I will show you how to make a canvas at home using cardboard, cotton fabric and a gesso, and I have given a short demo on this acrylic painting of Gautam Buddha. So let's begin. Hi, I'm Shaburi from hookedloops.com. I make various kind of crafts tutorials in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. For this project I have upcycled an old cardboard and I have taken a cotton fabric. You can use any kind of cotton fabric, and then we will just take the cotton fabric to the cardboard using the fabric glue. I have taken the Fevicryl fabric glue. Just add the glue along the border and stick the cotton fabric to it. The cotton fabric will be slightly bigger than the cardboard. Then turn to the back side and cut the cotton fabric along the corners diagonally in this manner. And now we will stick the portions of the cotton fabric to the cardboard along the border in this manner. So the cotton fabric is stuck to the cardboard, and now we will do the final step, that is we will be adding a layer of gesso on top of the fabric. I have made the gesso at home using plaster of Paris, Fevicol, white colored acrylic paint and a little bit of water. You will get the recipe in my old videos, so check them out. Gesso is actually a primer. It makes the surface perfect for doing the acrylic painting. You can always buy a gesso from market, but I prefer making it at home. Check out my old video on how to make a gesso for making your perfect gesso. Okay. After you have added the layer of gesso on top of the fabric, just let it dry. Canvas will be ready after drying up, and when it's dried up, just add a border of masking tape and do the outline of your painting. And now we will start painting on it. The painting is based on your own imagination. However, you can follow my technique for painting your own Gautam Buddha acrylic painting. So we will continue painting it, and I will meet you at the end of the video. Our painting is nearly complete. We will let it dry. And when it's dried up, we will take out the masking tape from the border in this manner slowly. Now, based on your own preferences, you can add the border color accordingly. I chose to add a red colored border. So our red colored border is completed. We will just let it dry and then we will just add a layer of varnish on top of it to color protect it. And our Gautam Buddha painting is ready. This is how you make a canvas at home and make your own canvas and just practice your paintings. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was helpful. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.